Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix Instagram Reels option not showing. For example, if you open your Instagram app and you see that there is option of Reels not showing on your Instagram account, then how you can get that? For example, there is an option of Reels here shown, and if you do not get that option or not showing on your Instagram, then how you can fix that? First of all, what you have to do, you have to simply close the Instagram. After that, what you have to do, you have to simply press and hold if you are using Android device, and you have to simply go to app info. For iPhone or iOS user, you have to simply go to app settings and you have to simply do the off load of the app. And for Android, you have to simply first of all do the force stop and you have to click on storage and cache. After that, you have to simply clear the cache on the Instagram. After clearing the cache, the next step you have to do is you have to simply go to the Play Store, and here you have to simply search for Instagram. And after searching the Instagram, you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. Or if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And after updating, you have to check whether you got that Reels button or not. If the problem is still there, which means you still didn't get the that reel button or reel option, then how you can get that? For this, you have to click on profile, and after that you have to click on three line. You have to go to settings and privacy, and after that you have to scroll it down and you have to click on help, and here you have to simply report the problem to Instagram team. And after that, here you have to simply mention the problem, that what kind of problem you are facing, and also you can also attach the screenshot, and you can simply send the report to Instagram team, and they will connect to you as soon as possible and solve the problem for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you're gonna get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.